Hi everyone, welcome back to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic called critical to quality from Lean Six Sigma perspective. Right. One of the easiest way to remember CTQ is you can remember this equation. CTQ is VOC plus VOB plus COPQ. VOC, as you know, voice of customer, and VOB, voice of business, and cost of poor quality, COPQ stand for cost of poor quality, right? So again, you need to take the VOC and you need to find out the survey, what is the customer feedback, customer survey, voice of customer, customer complaint is one of the important attribute and input to consider as a critical to quality and for Lean Six Sigma project, right? And customer requests through interaction or social media and even complaints. Even if you take complaints, that the complaint can be direct return complaint or the verbal complaint or the warranty or return and all that. So these are all the thing which is attribute to voice of customer. Let's talk about the second one, the voice of business. Again, you have a revenue balance sheet is getting impacted, or there is a corporate initiatives at the site level. There are different platforms are being used, need to standardize and all that, right? So increase the market share and all that. These are all the voice of business. That voice of business typically come from the management. And then lastly, you have cost of poor quality. And cost of poor quality has got so many wings. And very few wings, like up to X6 being explained here. For example, X1 rework cost, labor cost, and then you have effect of Muri or utilization problem, or the warranty or replacement or rework or freight one, or you have expired material or too much cost and simulations and all that, or penalty, regulatory or statutory one, or you have X6, that is raw material, and WAP, work in progress, or internal PPM and all. These are all the good input for CTQ as an overall, but some of the legend been used here. You can see here again from there you can identify that which are all the things which is concerning. For example, I have given in red tag, okay, this could be an important factor. Again, those are vitals. From this one you can find out, and then it will be easy to take these layer and test it and then take it for the Lean Six Sigma project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.